Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to move your assets around, like transferring USDT from Binance to OKX. It's a simple process, but I'll walk you through it step by step to make sure you do it safely and efficiently. Why bother? Well, OKX often has unique features or better rates, so diversifying your exchange accounts can be a smart move. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Binance and OKX, and that your USDT is in your Binance wallet. Start by logging into your Binance account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section. It's usually in the top menu. From there, select Spot Wallet or Funding Wallet, where your USDT is held. Next, find and click on Withdraw next to your USDT balance. This will open a withdrawal page. Now, here's where you need to be careful. Choose the right network for USDT. In 2025, popular options might include Tron, TRC20 for faster, cheaper transfers, or ERC20 if you're on Ethereum. Double-check what OKX supports to avoid any issues. Always verify to prevent losing your funds. Once you've selected the network, you'll need the deposit address from OKX. Log into your OKX account, go to the Assets or Deposit section, select USDT, and choose the same network you picked on Binance. Copy that address, don't type it manually to avoid errors. Back on Binance, paste the OKX address into the withdrawal form, enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer, and review the transaction details, including any fees. Binance might charge a small withdrawal fee, so factor that in. Hit Confirm, and you'll likely need to complete a two-factor authentication step for security. After that, sit tight. Transfers usually take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network. Once it's done, check your OKX account to confirm the USDT has arrived. Pro tip: always start with a small test transfer if you're new to this. And there you have it. Your USDT is now on OKX, ready for trading or staking. If this tutorial helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.